What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with a food review. So my mom and I have been wanting to try the Grandma McFlurry from McDonald's, and my mom just came home with this right here. So let's see how this is gonna be. It smells pretty good, and it looks pretty tasty. Hey, this is pretty good. It's got the soft serve ice cream from McDonald's, granola. Oh man, that's freaking good. Don't know how long this video will be, but hey. But yeah, man, it's pretty good. I'd give it a perfect 10. It's actually really freaking good. I'd give it a perfect 10. Granted, anything sweet from McDonald's is a perfect 10 for me. Now if the Grandma McFlurry was had a splash of McDonald's sweet tea in it, it'd be a billion out of 10 for me, because let's just say, other than Starbucks, if it would extend my life, I drink McDonald's sweet tea on the daily, because that stuff is good. Don't know why, but there's a bunch of sweet teas that I really like that are restaurant style. McDonald's, obviously. McAllister's is pretty good. And yeah, I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, y'all. Have a great evening or a great day whenever this gets uploaded. Probably will get uploaded as soon as I'm done. It's usually how my videos go. I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, y'all. Have a great evening.